Hello, my name is Cyril Barthelet, and my project is called the Smart Guard Bot. The Smart Guard Bot is a patrolling robot which is designed to be used around a person's property. It is equipped with a dual sensor system, one detecting motion and the other detecting heat, to detect the presence of humans. If a human is detected by the robot will contact a remote web server using the Wi-Fi chip inside it, and that web server will then forward a text alert and an email alert to the user. The Smart Guard Bot is therefore a good, easy way of protecting your house, and this is exactly the reason why I decided to design it. Criminality is on the rise, and my goal was to find a possible way of solving this problem. Now, when you use the Smart Guard Bot, you must first load a road with patrolling. To do this, the robot first acts as a remote control car and saves its GPS location every so often in the main memory of the Arduino, which is the primary brain of the robot. Since GPSs aren't always exact though, there is another GPS, which is put in a fixed location and acts as a calibrator for the robot's GPS, and it sends data to the robot with a radio transmitter. Once a patrolling route is saved, the robot may then start patrolling around the user's property. The Arduino in it calculates if it needs to turn or not, and the motors are powered by a high-power pickaxe chip. At the same time, a sensor is constantly on the lookout for a strong heat source. It automatically adjusts itself to the ambient heat, but if a very high, unusual heat source is detected, the robot stops and uses the motion sensor to detect if this was indeed a human or not. If not, the patrolling continues. If the source is confirmed, the Arduino then uses the Wii Shield, which is an Arduino-compatible Wi-Fi adapter, to send a message to the Smart Guard Bot server telling it that an intruder was detected. The web server processes this with PHP scripts and saves the current state of the Smart Guard Bot, as well as sending a text and email alert to the user. If the user then goes on the website of the server, he will see the current state of the robot. In this case, the robot is on, and so is the alarm. The user can then turn the alarm off and the robot too. On the user side of things, this whole process is very simple and easy. While in the actual robot, it goes through a lot of different processes to ensure it is reliable and works well. A lot of debugging and testing was required to make sure everything was working well together, without any glitches. But it turned out pretty nicely and I am pleased with it. Realize the Dream would be an excellent opportunity to show how simple it could be to ensure good security in people's houses. Thank you for watching.